Ever open your banking app, see your balance and think, wait, where did all that money go? You're not alone. It's a classic case of the budgeting trap where your hard-earned cash seems to vanish into thin air, often on impulse buys. One minute you had a plan for that paycheck and the next it's gone. Perhaps it was that tempting online sale, an unexpected coffee run, or those little treats that add up without you even noticing. It feels frustrating, right? You want to save, you want to invest, but the money just isn't there. This isn't about being bad with money. It's about falling into common, sneaky traps. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 5 budgeting mistakes almost everyone makes and how you can easily avoid them. Get ready to finally take control of your cash. All right, let's dive into the first big budgeting mistake, the no budget budget. This is where you don't actually have a plan for your money at all. You just spend and hope there's enough left at the end of the month. It's like driving without a map. You might get somewhere, but probably not where you intended. Without a budget, your money tends to just drift away, often on small things you don't even remember buying. For example, you might be spending $500 every single month on stuff, maybe multiple streaming services, daily coffees, or impulse buys online without ever truly realizing it. That's money that could be saving you from debt or building your future. This aimless spending can quietly sabotage your financial goals. The fix is simple. Know where your money is going. Even a basic budget beats no budget every single time. Our second mistake, being too restrictive. It's tempting to slash everything fun when you start budgeting, cutting out coffee, meals out, or even your favorite streaming service. You might think this is it. Time to get serious. But this all-or-nothing approach often backfires. Trying to cut out all joy from your spending is like deciding you'll only eat plain salad forever. Sure, it sounds healthy for a day, but how long can you really stick to it? You'll likely get burned out, feel deprived, and eventually splurge in a big way, undoing all your hard work. A sustainable budget needs room for a little fun so you don't feel like you're constantly punishing yourself. Mistake number 3 is forgetting the invisible costs. These are those sneaky expenses that don't pop up every month, but they hit hard when they do. Think about that yearly software subscription you pay for, or the bigger repair bill for your car that only comes once in a while. It's easy to focus only on your weekly groceries or monthly rent and forget these irregular but important payments. These forgotten costs often derail even well-intentioned budgets because they create unexpected holes in your spending plan. A good way to handle these is to average them out. For example, if holiday gifts cost you $600 per year, that's an invisible $50 you need to set aside each month. Annual subscriptions might add another $25.50 a month when averaged out. By breaking down these bigger, less frequent expenses into smaller monthly chunks, you can plan for them. This way, when that big bill arrives, you won't be surprised and your budget won't take an unexpected hit. Mistake number 4 is probably the most common reason budgets fail: not tracking your progress. You set up a budget, feel good about it, then never look at it again. This is like trying to navigate without a map and never checking if you're still on course. Your budget isn't a one-time setup. It's a living document that needs regular check-ins. You need to compare what you planned to spend versus what you actually spent. Without this reality check, you can't see what's working and what's not. Here's a stark truth: most people who give up on budgeting do so because they don't see any results after just 3 months. They stop tracking, feel discouraged, and think budgeting isn't for them. Don't fall into this trap. Make it a habit to review your spending weekly or bi-weekly. This isn't about judgment. It's about learning and adjusting. Small, consistent checks ensure you stay on track and actually reach your money goals. So, what's the big secret to a budget that actually works? It's not about being perfect from day one or creating a spreadsheet masterpiece. Forget those images of financial gurus with complex charts. The real win comes from small, consistent tweaks over time. Think of it like steering a big ship. Tiny adjustments make all the difference in reaching your destination. Don't aim for a flawless budget. Aim for progress. This week, pick just one mistake we talked about, maybe tracking your spending or adding those invisible costs. Focus on fixing that one thing. You'll be amazed at the difference a single, mindful change can make. Your budget isn't a straitjacket, it's a tool to give you freedom and peace of mind. Give it a try this week, and if you want more simple money advice that cuts through the noise, hit that subscribe button.